Okay, this is the 6th box, is it, Bill? 6th or 7th, I don't know. I lost track. Huge shipment. I guess I'm going to have to move some things around this morning, find a spot for all these. This one is called Rain Dreaming. I believe this is a new one. Audrey did this one. Super nice. And it is considered red. And we have Lilip Dreaming. Okay, so this is a beautiful purpley magenta with black and white. Just absolutely gorgeous. And this is considered purple. Another new one. This one is Wildflowers and Bush Tuckers. Okay, by Christine Doolin. This colorway is green. Absolutely fabulous. Brand new. This one is called Stella. This is another new one. They released this. Multi-colorway. It is considered black. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Rain Dreaming in purple. The purple ones always go very quickly. And another blue one. This one is called Wildflowers After Rain. Wonderful motifs. Clear indigo blue. Just gorgeous with gray and other colors. And same print, different colorway. Look how different it looks when you switch up the colors on the same print. Wildflowers After Rain. And this one is considered yellow. Wildflowers, no. This one's Wildflowers and Bush Tuckers. I think that was in another box in another colorway. I love this. This one is called, for the color, it is called red. Wildflowers and Bush Tuckers, and I'm hoping it's called purple. Yes? Love this. This is another new one. Oh no, it's not. Yalaroo, but I think the color is new in purple. And then we have Wild Seeds and Waterhole by Tanya Price. I love that. Okay. We have Underground Water. And we have one more, last but not least. This one is, let me see, Yalaroo in black. Okay. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and sign up for our newsletter that goes out just about every day, where you'll find out the daily specials. And on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ladyfingers Sewing. And that's all for today.